What's up, guys? Mulix here. Shit. Shit. Alright. Alright. Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Gotta go to the gas station. Damn, I got no gas. This truck eats gas, dude. Eats gas. And I'm putting the fuel injector cleaner in, but that's not my problem. I think it's my low compression in cylinder 1. That's my problem, low compression. Big party going on over here. Big party over there. So, I got good news. I have a phone. Woo! Well, I shouldn't say I have a phone. I have a phone. I have phone service. As you guys know, my uncle didn't pay his AT&T bill, and I lost a number that I had for 8 years. Alright? I lost the number that I had for 8 years. What I'm waiting for is for that number to get recycled, someone to get the number, and then I'm going to call that person and see if they'll let me buy the number back off of them. So they'll just have to give me their account number and their account PIN so I can port the number to my account. And that's what I would do. I would port the number and get my old number back. I would do that in a heartbeat. Even if I had this number for months and everyone knew this number, I would still get my old number back. I would still swap it out. However, I got a new number. I got T-Mobile. I got that 4 lines for $150 deal. Everything unlimited. So I got unlimited 4G LTE, no throttling, no caps. Don't listen to people, but they think they know everything, alright? Oh no, they still throttle you. The first 2 gigabytes is LTE, and then everything after that is slow 2 or 3G. Only the first 2 gigabytes. Only the first 2 gigabytes. That's true if you are on a smaller plan, okay? Alright, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand it. Alright, if you're on a 3 gig plan for $40 a month, right? But you know, that's if you're like have your own line and you're by yourself. The $40 plan, I think, is like 3 gigs. Once you use that 3 gigs, alright, they throttle you for the rest of the month. You still get unlimited data. They don't charge you overages, but you get throttled. Okay, you get throttled. Same thing with Metro. Right now with Metro, their $40 plan is 3 gigs. Once you use the 3 gigs, you still got unlimited data, but at much slower speeds, okay? T-Mobile and Sprint have a true unlimited plan, okay? Unlimited plan with T-Mobile, if you're by yourself on your own account, by yourself, one line, is $75 a month. $75 a month. Okay? Sprint, if you're by yourself, $95 a month. Unlimited data, text, and calling. Okay? But T-Mobile and Sprint both have similar 4-line plans. With Sprint, you get 4 lines, and each line is $37.50. T-Mobile, it's $150 for 4 lines. which boils down to like $40 a line in reality, plus your taxes and shit, whatever you want to call it. All right. So right now, I was gonna go on my mom's plan for $35 if I didn't get T-Mobile, but I would have got 3 gigs. Okay. But for $5 more now, I have unlimited on a better network. But Mulix, Metro uses T-Mobile's tower. Metro is T-Mobile. Metro is T-Mobile. No, it's not, you retard. I will explain that to you after I get out of 7-Eleven here. Alright, so I think I've explained this already in one of my vlogs. I don't remember it. If you sign up with T-Mobile, okay, you are directly on T-Mobile's network. 100%. You're on T-Mobile's network 100% all the time, okay? If you sign up with Metro, you're on Metro towers, which actually they don't have their own towers, I found out anymore. They're buying Sprint. So they're going to be using Sprint's network. Like, they're going to take over Sprint's network. But anyway, let's say, you know, hypothetically speaking, Metro has their own towers, which, you know, they technically kind of still do. Okay? You are on their network. Okay? If need be, you tap into T-Mobile's network. Okay? If you need, if your phone, you know, needs the help of T-Mobile, you will tap into the network. You're not on T-Mobile's network. You're not constantly on T-Mobile's network, okay? And I even went into T-Mobile yesterday when I got my service, and I said, yeah, you tap into it. He's like, you're the first person to actually understand how that works. I'm like, well, it's common sense, really. But people don't get this shit. Oh, no, that's T-Mobile. You're with T-Mobile. Oh, no, that's T-Mobile, okay? If you signed up for... If that was the case, there would be no reason to sign up with T-Mobile at all. Everybody would go Metro to save money because they would be on T-Mobile's network anyway. All right, that's not how it works. All right, that's not how it works. If you want to be on a better network than Metro's network, then you got to sign up with that other carrier. All right, you just don't sign up with Metro and you're magically on T-Mobile. All right, that's stupid if you really think that. But anyway, I activated my remember I unlocked my S4 months ago. When I got the unlock code, I saved it as a Word document on my computer. Well, I brought over my S4. I put the T-Mobile SIM card in, and it popped right up for the unlock code. I put the code in, and boom, I'm on T-Mobile. Boom. All right. But I think Monday I'm gonna go get an S7. I'm getting the S7 Edge. I'm getting the S7 Edge. I already ordered a case for it. It's the same case. It's the same case that I have for my S6 Edge Plus right now, but just made to fit the S7 Edge. All right. If you want to call me, call my business's 800 number. All right. It's 1-800-328-4475. Okay, if you want to call me, call my business's 800 number. Ask for Steve. That's 1-800-328-4475. All right, you'll get the automated system. It's going to say Charm Westwood Limousine. All right? And then it's going to say enter extension. Well, that's it. Actually, no, it's after hours now, so it's not going to do that. It's going to transfer you right to my cell phone. I got to go home now and transfer the phones. I forgot to transfer the phones. Fuck. Forgot to transfer the phones. All right, so that's 1-800-328-4475. If you want to call and talk to me. Free of charge. Toll-free number. Free of charge. Alright guys, pulling back up at the house. I know this was a real short kind of video. It's not even a vlog. It's like a filler. Because I got a lot of shit I got to do before work tomorrow. I got to be up early for work, so fortunately I can't make a long video today. keep each other company. Keep each other company. Ooh. Alright, guys. Have a good night. We'll see you soon. Peace.